Today's Midday Kentucky cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone, over here at Creative Kitchen and Bath.
Hello.
For all your bathroom and kitchen renovations, I'm playing with, well, I call it aluminium foil. You call it...
Aluminum.
I can't even say that word. It's hard to come out of it. And do you know who else had trouble with that?
Who?
Can't remember. I think it was the president.
Oh, okay.
I saw a story on it just recently.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, hello there.
Random fact. Chef Allison Davis, everyone.
Yeah, Troy Thompson. You all know him. He's playing with aluminium foil. All right. You don't have to do that because we're going to actually cover it. So we are doing, this is just a very earthy, it's the time of year for winter root vegetables. So I wanted to just showcase how you can roast them. And then we're going to do like a little vinaigrette that'll go over top. Because root vegetables like beets, parsnips, rutabagas, they're more earthy, and so some people either, it's a love-hate kind of thing.
I love them.
I love them as well because I think they're full of flavor. Sometimes beets, especially red beets, can bleed and can be a bit messy. So I really don't focus on peeling them all together. I just take the top and the bottom, and then I'll peel the skins after they cook. It's much easier after they roast, okay? So we're just gonna take the tops and bottoms, and you notice it's a lot less messy, right?
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah, I probably would have peeled them though.
Well, and then you're gonna have...
Peel them under water, running water.
No.
No.
No. You're still gonna have that red beet juice all over you.
Would you not cut these in four?
No, I'm gonna leave them like that because then, like I said, after they roast, it's really easy to just peel those skins right off. And then you can cut them whatever you want. So we're just gonna do a little olive oil. Go ahead and sprinkle a little salt and pepper on there, and I'm gonna just chop a little bit of fresh herbs up.
Okay.
So
what's this dish called?
This is just some roasted whole beets, and we're gonna do a nice little vinaigrette that's going to be served over them, kind of to help cut that earthiness, if you will.
Yeah.
So a little bit of fresh parsley, some garlic. I tend
chop all this garlic up. It smells bloody beautiful.
And then I've got some fresh sage. I like using sage this time of year because it's just underutilized most.
Sage?
Yes, I love sage. And it, to me, is
what
just...
What does it smell like?
To me, it's just like a fall, it's a fall herb or a winter herb.
What do
you don't
use sage
you don't
in?
use it some turkey, like in stuffing, and
course.
yes. So
there's the smell, everyone.
yeah, so I just try to use it more in the winter because I never use it in the summer. It just...
It's a wintry...
Yeah, it definitely is. Okay, so cover that up. That's going to go in the oven at 375 to 400 for a good, like, 30 minutes because you want to get those beets nice and fork tender. Look at how perfect he's doing that, I'll tell you.
Well, I am a little lame.
So while those are roasting, we can work a little vinaigrette, and these are just some sweeter flavors. Yes, thank you. So these are just some flavors that I think will help cut the earthiness and just give you a really nice finish, you know, to the dish. So we're going to go with some sherry wine. Okay. A little sherry wine.
I love the smell of that garlic and sage together on my fingers.
There you go. A little orange juice, and the orange juice again is going to help bring some sweetness and kind of cut that earthy flavor.
You got herbs on your cheeks.
It's a part of the trade. All right, little OJ, we're going to go with a tad bit of honey.
Yep.
That's, again, going to bring a little sweetness. And then a bit of mustard.
I got you.
Okay? And you can just use a fork there or a whisk just to kind of bring that together. Definitely add salt and pepper to this and just a little bit of oil. Okay?
Well, hold on. What's this going on?
This is going to go on the finished beets when they come out. So a little salt, pepper, and you'll have the garlic and the fresh herbs already on the beets, and it'll all like come together really nicely.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
And do you put this back in the oven once you've put...
No, I just do a little drizzle over the beets, or you could toss the beets in this, but this just kind of is like a nice little finish. I'll give you a little spoon and we can give it a little taste here.
Yeah. You got a spoon there?
No, but here.
No.
See what you think. Really nice. The sherry,
I think it needs
the
a little bit more
orange.
mustard.
Okay.
But you know I like a bit of a bite.
That's the beauty of cooking right there. Troy, it's to taste. So add a little bit of what you love and
is what
top
it
it
is.
off. This is a perfect side this
Tell
time
everyone
of
where to
year.
get the recipe.
All right, you of course can go to WTVQ/recipes tab. Click on that, as many others. And I'm Chef Allison Davis. You're watching Midday Kentucky. We'll be right back after this short break.